guys, so welcome back to the channel. I am here with another Capricorn look for the birthday theme that we got going on. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, really quick, first off, let me say hello. I'm NESHA and welcome to today's video. I am doing a birthday theme for my zodiacs, my birthstones, earth, wind, and fire, all that you can think of that has to do with the whole zodiac thing and birthday themes. Your girl's doing it, okay? So I do have a playlist down in the description box. Be sure you guys check that out. I will have all of my future looks and present looks in that playlist, so make sure you guys check it out. So today is look number 2 using this Capricorn palette by Cara Beauty. She's gorgeous. Let me give y'all a quick little sneak peek again what she looks like. Yes, it's giving different looks. Yes, I told y'all I wanted to come back and do multiple looks using this palette because it's not really a lot of eyeshadows, but there's a lot of good eyeshadows in here, if that makes sense. So, but anywho, I'm creating this soft golden glam look, so I hope you guys are liking what you see, because if you guys want to see how I got this look, then of course keep on watching. Alright, so we back with another look for Capricorns. This is going to be look number 2 using this palette. If you guys have not seen my other zodiac look for Capricorns, make sure you guys check out that playlist down in the description box. That's where all my future zodiac birthday theme looks are going to be located at. So give y'all another look at this beautiful palette. I think I'm going to do a neutral look today and see what I'm feeling. It's really easy. It's not that many eyeshadows in here, but I can still do some things with this palette, if you know what I mean. Alright, so I'm going to go in with this dark brown. I really liked how this looked. I'm just going to pop that on my crease. I'm going pretty heavy with this. Alright, and then I'm going to go in with this shade of brown. Y'all just realized I had a message for the Capricorns in here. It says, forget karma. Here is Capricorn. Ooh. Let me find out y'all little petty betties, okay? And it says, a busy bee setting my own rules. Okay, I can definitely see that definition for my son. He is like so strong-headed, like he don't operate on anybody's schedules his way or nobody else's way, and he's only 3. But I can already see that personality within him. What else it says? It says, my instincts move faster than light. Forgive and forget, question mark. Not here, darling. Ooh, y'all hold grudges. Petty betties. Oh, let me find out. You know what, my son do got a little bit of a temper, and I just thought it had something to do with his autism, but let me find out my son gonna be petty betty. We're going to have to rebuke that and fix that real quick, because we gotta learn about forgiveness. That's my one of my journeys I've been on this whole entire year since it started, and that's about forgiveness. That's something I definitely struggle with, because I don't want to say I tend to hold grudges, because that's not true, but your girl don't forget. And if I don't forget, then it's in the back of my mind. Matter of fact, it's right here. So every time I deal with that person that did me wrong, I kind of move a different way in a sense, because I have that as a memory. Does that make sense? So is that holding on a grudge or what? I don't know. But I feel like kind of sort of is. So that's something I definitely want to learn how to work on, because I'll treat you different real quick if I see you moving different as well. But then again, I think that's kind of smart though. I don't know. I'm still learning. Alright, so now for the lid, I'm going to go in with this beautiful metallic gold color. And I am going to apply it, baby girl, with some setting spray. It's called Busy Bee. Alright, that's a pretty gold. What I'm going to do is take a little bit of that brown and just put it in the outer part of the lid. Just brush it right into that gold. See, it's a very simple neutral look, but I love this metallic. It's very sparkly in person. Okay, y'all know the routine. I'm going to do my face, liner, lashes, and I'll be right back. Alright, so let me do my lips really quick. You already know I'm going with a nude combo. So going in with NYX. Gonna pop that onto the lips. Alright, and the lipstick I'm going for is this Live Glam lipstick. This one is called Mamacita. Alright, and then for my gloss, I'm going in with the Fenty Heat. for my blush, I'm like, why my face looks so different? I'm gonna pop on a blush really quick. I forgot to pop that on. And then I totally forgot I'm missing my inner pop. So I'm gonna apply that frosty white looking color. I'm gonna pop her right in the inner tear duct just to brighten up my eyes. And then I'm gonna go in with a little bit of my glitter glue. Alright, so this completes the look. I really do hope you guys like it. My Capricorn babes, this look is giving soft glam, okay? So when y'all recover from your petty vibes, this is the look for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. And even if you're not a Capricorn, I still hope you try this look out, because she's a really pretty, easy, like on the go type of look. And I just love how everything is just like coming together. Look at that, girl. Y'all see the highlight bling, okay? Yes, everything is just going together. But anywho, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, represent Capricorns down in the comment section. Let me see all my Capricorns show up, show out, or go home, okay? You guys all have a beautiful day. Stay blessed, stay amazing. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.